Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some no-bake fudge brownies. Now these are from Dr. Michael Greger. If you're not familiar with him, definitely check him out. He has this great website, nutritionfacts.org, where he has cited so many scientific studies about the benefits of a plant-based diet, so I definitely recommend that you check him out. So let's get started. This is really simple, as are all my recipes, because that's how I roll. So let me show you what ingredients we got going on here. So we're gonna do the ingredients in stages. It's all gonna be done in the food processor, but we've got some dates, some almond butter, some cocoa powder. We're gonna put some crushed pecans on the top, and we've got walnuts. I've got a cup of walnuts in here. So the first thing we're gonna do is put together, blend together the dates and the walnuts. Make sure that you have pitted dates, very important. So I'm gonna add the dates to my walnuts and pulse them, and then we'll go on to the next step. Now we're gonna add the almond butter. And we will pulse this until it is all combined. You may have to scrape the sides down while you're doing this when you add the almond butter. Okay, next we're gonna add in our cocoa powder and blend. And that is it. Show you the consistency of it. All right, now we're gonna put this in a lined 8-inch pan and just dump it all in. Take the blade out and dump it in. And then you're gonna get, your hands will get a little messy, but that's okay. You're just gonna press it in to this pan so it's all even. So once you've got that all pressed in, and it's gonna make a nice, pretty thick brownie, you're just gonna add the pecans on. The crushed pecans are chopped. That's just gonna give it another layer of flavor and some crunch. So just press those in. And there you have it. We're gonna chill this for about an hour, and then we're gonna come back and taste it. So I'll see you in a few. So here's the finished product. They've been in the fridge for about an hour and a half, so cannot wait to taste these. They look absolutely delicious. So here we go. They look. It's a nice thick brownie there. Pretty good. One more bite. I need to stock up. Okay, these are amazing. They're super chocolatey, fudgy. I love the little crunch of the pecans on top. These were so easy. It's whole foods. I mean, no refined sugar, all good for you. It's a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Again, stay safe, wash your hands, and stay home if you can. Until next time, thank you.